Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Snell here at NAB 2010. Today what I'd like to do is I'd like to introduce you to Kahuna 360. It's a revolution in live production. Kahuna 360, of course, is the brand new addition to the Kahuna family. It brings brand new functionality and flexibility to the most demanding production requirements. Kahuna 360 breaks the tradition of fixed MEs, fixed resources, and fixed formats, supporting many simultaneous productions that would require multiple switchers from other providers. Kahuna 360 provides the solution for every production requirement efficiently, creatively, and with the reliability you've all come to expect from Snell. So let's take a look at all these areas in more detail. Kahuna 360 features Format Fusion 3, a powerful technology from Snell giving total format freedom with unrestricted mixing of signal types across 120 inputs and 64 outputs. Even better, Format Fusion 3 doesn't tie up an ME to do all this, so you can use every output simultaneously, regardless of where it's going. I mean, that's really what Kahuna 360 is all about. Anything in, anything out. Here's a typical configuration. Multiple camera and tape feeds in 1080i, 720p, SD4.3, and even 1080p. And by the way, that's single link 1080p, both level A and level B. All of these are feeding directly into Kahuna 360, so we're mixing multiple formats, interlaced and progressive material, all into the same production. Kahuna 360 features Make ME, allowing users to custom build their own ME feature set matched to their specific production requirements. So, for example, you could create an ME that has 3 keyers, 16 inputs and outputs, and 4 stills or clip store outputs. Now this feature not only gives operators precisely what they need, but at the same time frees up valuable switcher resources for other users. And flexibility doesn't stop at the operational level. The flexible, modular architecture of Kahuna 360 means you only have to buy what you need today. You still have the framework to expand tomorrow. The power and flexibility of Kahuna 360 greatly increases productivity. Even with just a single ME, it is possible to create a number of parallel program outputs, each with a choice of signal types. Well, let's take a look at this example. Here we have 3 different production outputs, one for the local market, one national, and one international. Not only are we able to create all these outputs simultaneously from a 1ME Kahuna 360, but also each output is available in 1080p, 1080i, 720p, or 4:3 standard definition. Uniquely powerful, Kahuna 360 can support up to 6 full MEs, which can run up to 16 productions simultaneously from a single mainframe, with each production output controlled by a sub-level switcher panel, and each of these having up to 120 inputs, transition effects, keyers, and allocated DVE effects. Kahuna 360 then can be instantly reconfigured for any of these operations, along with all of the associated routing and monitoring systems. Then add workflow tools that allow you to manage file-based assets and turn around late arriving content in seconds, and you have a highly efficient, cost-effective production system. Now, let's take a look at creativity. With up to 7 keyers on a single ME, Kahuna 360 provides unmatched creative freedom, combining mixers, keyers, and 3D DVE effects to produce any on-air style. And a new intelligence in the switcher allows Kahuna 360 to handle all of the mundane, frees you to create great productions. And of course, you're using Format Fusion 3, so you can use any combination of formats without having to worry about conversion or timing problems. The clip and still stores frees up server and VTR feeds, so you can create even more exciting composites. Let's take a look at this example on the screen. So we've got a Winter Olympics graphic loop in one of the clip stores. These stores can hold up to 40 minutes of SD or a combination of HD, SD, and still images. Here's a foreground feed from one of the HD cameras with a border and a drop shadow, and the second inset shot is from an SD camera. Then over this, we've got the name of the event, the channel identity in the top left-hand corner. Here we watch Snell television. And then we can transition to the next scene using an animated graphic held in one of the other clip stores. All of this, we've still only used a little more than 50% of the power of a single ME Kahuna 360. Just imagine what you could do with 6 MEs. And of course, we mustn't forget about stereoscopic 3D. Kahuna 360 handles 3D material without losing an ME. Reliability. Reliability is a key issue in mission-critical environments, and Kahuna 360 features full show-build backup, giving you total peace of mind on air. Fully modular, hot swappable architecture, and of course everything is built to Snell's exacting engineering standards and backed up with 24/7 world-class support. So if you're looking for future-proof flexibility, efficient operational productivity, greater and greater creativity, and industry-leading reliability, then you found it in Kahuna 360, a revolution in live production.